Yeah. And also another reason, I do subtitles sometimes, but it's just because my house is like loud. Got a dog, I got a baby, I have a husband. The way men blow their noses is it's preposterous. Like you do it, you don't need to make all those sounds. I have a nose too. Tell me why I don't do that.
You don't.
I'm not like it's like a horn, and like it's just in the way that men sneeze. It's like, just say, I would like some attention, please. Just do that.
Interesting.
Because I will do that. I respect it. I understand it. I'll give you some attention. I'll tell you I love you, whatever. But the sneezing, the blowing of the nose, it's just not the amount of noise that comes out of men. I had a much quieter home before there was one in there.
Joe, you don't have a husband who's honking into his handkerchief at home, so...
Handkerchief?
So, you don't use a handkerchief?
No, this isn't 1923. Oh,
I always keep a handkerchief. Mackie?
Well, yeah, I mean, I use the subtitles. What if I've seduced a young lady and I don't want to wake her up? You know, it's nice to not have the volume on all the time. I use a lot of things that were initially intended for the disabled, like a cane that lets me board the plane first. Let's see, what else? I wear rec specs because I fall asleep in my glasses. Stuff for athletes. I drink Gatorade because I like the sugary taste. I don't participate in sports to make things easier for people. They end up just working its way down till they get to me. And I'll explain it all later when I'm on my rascal scooter on my way out of here.
So